For those of you that are around tools much, you know what this is. This is my 18-volt Dewalt battery, and it will only last for 3 to 5 minutes. This battery is, let's see, 90. Holy cow. This battery's almost 10 years old. And it's only the second one I've had since I've had this drill. They get a lot of good use, but it's gotten to where it's basically just worn down. So what I've done, rather than spend $89 on a whole new battery or a pair of batteries, at Christmas time you can get 2 for $89. eBay, 35 bucks. All you have to do is take all 6 of these screws out. This top comes right off. The insert comes out with the batteries in it. Slide this one right back in its place, bolt it back together, put it on the charger, and away you go. Now, how durable these are, I honestly don't know. This is my first time trying these. Sun batteries. Made in China. So there's a good chance that these will explode on me. Just so you know. If you guys hear about Daddy Tech being burned, you know what happened. But anyway, I'm going to get ready and get this swapped out. Let's see, there's one out. And I'm not going to make you sit through watching me unbolt and unloosen every single one of these. Alright, a few seconds later, after all the screws are removed, you should be able to just lift right up on the kind of hard to do one-handed. Anyway, lift right up on the top, and there you have it. And he should lift just right up out of the case too. But again, I'll need 2 hands. There you have it. Looks the same to me. I know looks don't matter, it's how they perform. So we'll set the new ones down in there. These will go back to the recycler. These will go to the, hopefully to good use for a good long while now. Because the one that I had, that one, and my other one out in the shed are about useless. That's basically how I refurbish my batteries. Like I said, the cells will still go back to a recycling center. I don't know how or why or with what they recycled them, but I'll do my part. But anyway, I'm going to put this back together and I'll show you when the drill's ready to go with it. Alright folks, got the batteries replaced, got them charged up. There's the old ones. New ones are in the case. Been through the charger. Running like a champ. That's it. Hopefully that $35 is worth it. Oh, and I'm going to hang out. Here's Ben. Say hi, Ben.
That drill's nice. Hope you have a good day.
There's Tommy. And Steve. And that's it. Thanks for watching.